Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 160 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Let's practice a simple, soothing breath technique called box breathing. We'll breathe in for 4 seconds and hold for 4 seconds. Then breathe out for 4 and hold for 4. You can imagine tracing a square in your mind as we go. Let's begin. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep breathing this way at your own pace. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back to the rhythm of your breath and the shape of the box. When you're ready, gently bring your attention back to the space around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take one last deep breath in and gently breathe it out. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.